Probably couldn't find a spot to get in. Yeah.
Well, it's not bad here, Coop.
It probably drops
I wonder if it's
deep.
deep.
Yeah, it looks pretty deep,
Yeah.
doesn't it? What do you think, buddy? Looks pretty deep? Yeah. I think we had to go out over here last time. Yeah, that's the dam crossing right there. So
Right.
this is exactly where I was pointed to.
Oh, this would be nice to put the tent here, hey?
Yeah.
But I guess
It looked like there was a, a beach spot when I pointed to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's over there. It's right there.
Oh. Isn't that the public beach, though?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, this is what I remember. All the boulders.
Yeah.
We'll figure it out, too. Maybe over here? What? Well, it's in it. Inlet.
There was a trail that we went through last time.
That might be a little less deep. Yeah.
Don't go falling in there.
Oop. Careful.
Oh, he's trying so hard. Oh, you're not going to get in there, buddy.
Have a drink.
Oh, don't fall off any ledges. Okay. Yeah. Okay, go slow. I don't know how deep it is in there.
Yeah, I think it's pretty deep because his front legs went down.
Okay, let's go this way, buddy. Come on, buddy. We're going to go through here.
It might be good to attach him to this just in case you have to drag him in.
I don't think we can get over to there unless we do a lot of walking.
Yeah, I don't want ticks. Oh, what's that?
Well, that's probably the